In this tutorial, we are going to explain how to uncover leads using the Emerging Jobs Super Search tool. So first we want to go to the Access Your Leads section. Hover your mouse over there and click on Emerging Jobs Super Search. What this amazing tool does is give us access to thousands of newspapers, magazines, and internet articles associated with the criteria we are looking for. As you will see, this can play a significant role in finding the unpublished jobs on the market today. So let's enter some criteria. For location, let's enter California. Now let's utilize the Industry drop-down tab. For industry, let's select Computer Software. One of the other tabs here that is incredibly powerful and really just a great tool to have in here is the Key Events section. In this Key Events section, we are able to focus in on specific types of news. So for instance, we can look at management, we can look at manufacturing news, we can look at mergers and acquisitions. So these are very specific ways to filter down your search and find these articles that are going to pinpoint exactly the types of changes that we're looking for. So for our efforts here, we're going to use mergers and acquisitions. So the keyword and company search sections, they are a little bit more difficult to use successfully, and really what it comes down to is if you're in an industry where there is a specific keyword that would only apply to your industry, for instance some computer languages, if those are important to your job search, you can use the keyword section. Otherwise, I would advise you to not do that. It can muddy the waters and make it more difficult to hone in. Company search, very simply, if you know the name of the company that you're looking for, you just need to type that company name into the company search and hit the search button, and you'll be given a list of results that have articles regarding that company and that company only. Once you put in your search criteria, we just want to click on that search button, and it will take us to a results page. Once the articles appear on the screen, what we're really looking for are article titles that stand out. And when I say stand out, what I'm referring to is an article that very clearly indicates that there is a major change taking place in the company. For our example, we're using mergers and acquisitions, so we're very simply looking for articles announcing a merger with a company, an acquisition of another company, so it can be something as simple as X company merges with Y company, X company acquires Y company. So as we can see, number 8, the title is Via Systems to Acquire DDI. Oftentimes it is this simple, just a straightforward article title telling you exactly what change is taking place in the company. And these are the kind of things that we're looking for. So let's go ahead and click on the article. So just by clicking on the article title, it will pull up the full text of the article. And what we want to do is scroll down to the bottom of the article where there is typically an About This Company section. Using the About This Company section, we can very quickly determine if in fact this company is in the appropriate industry for you and servicing the market that you feel would be best for your job search. So as we can see, we have an About This Company, and it tells us exactly what they do and exactly where they're located. The article will give you information about the change taking place in the company, but what you'll find is that it doesn't provide you with contact information, the name of a specific executive appropriate for your search, or more importantly, the actual physical mailing address, which is a very important piece of the unpublished process. So at that point, once we have determined that this is in fact a company that we want to contact, we would then use the Dow Jones tool to fill in some of these information gaps. You can find a tutorial on using the Dow Jones by visiting our tutorials section. This has been a click-by-click tutorial on how to find unpublished leads using our Emerging Jobs Super Search.